What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Super Shieldz screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. This brand is typically my go-to brand when it comes to matte screen protectors, except when it comes to the Surface Duo 2. But besides that, I picked this up off of Amazon for $9. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
This particular screen protector will work on the Tab S7 FE, the Tab S8 Plus, and the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, because they all have the 12.4-inch screen. Now let's take a look at the package itself. This is a real simple screen protector. Actually, that's why it's one of my favorite ones to put on. It's just a little thick film, and it's very easy to put on, but you must make sure that you clean the surface of the device off to ensure there's no lint or anything like that, because that will create a bubble or a little look of imperfection. If you're not into the look of matte screen protectors, they also have a clear version of this as well. This right here is more than just a card with information. I actually used this to push out some of the bubbles left when I installed the screen protector. I am definitely team matte screen protectors all the way. What I'm getting from the matte screen protector version of this is anti-glare, and it does cut down on a lot of that glare. So this is one of the reasons I really do like matte screen protectors. They give you this cleaning cloth and you get three screen protectors just in case you mess up or you're just gonna need another one. Now the reason for my matte screen protector choice is look at all of the glare, look at all the extra stuff that's on my screen when I'm taking a look at it underneath light. So what you're going to want to do is clean the screen, make sure you get all the lint, dirt, fingerprints, everything off. They have numbered the size of the screen protector so you know where to start and how to finish. I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking, and let you guys watch the installation process.
Spectacular Gadgets.
This screen protector is smooth, so it will not affect you if you're writing notes or you're drawing or doing your artwork. It is a nice smooth feel to when you're using the S Pen. What I'm going to demonstrate for you now is I'm going to change the background color of the page to black. Now, while I'm doing this, you'll notice that the little message that I wrote previously is still kind of there. So it's kind of like if you used pencil and paper and you erased what you wrote, but you didn't do it well enough, it's still kind of there and you can see it. So that's what's happening here. You can still see my previous note that I wrote, but it's not set in stone. It's not there forever. All you have to do is take a cloth and wipe the screen down and it disappears. So you don't have to worry about all that stuff staying on your screen. As you see, it's not there anymore. Also, let me ensure you there is no issues using the fingerprint scanner with this screen protector. You can get in perfectly fine as if there were no screen protector on the device. let's go ahead and discuss what viewing content looks like with a matte screen protector. Now, the matte screen protector is on the screen of this device, and for me personally, it doesn't bother me at all. I get less glare, which I rather have, and no, it's not as crispy as it would be if it didn't have the matte screen protector on, but as you see, I'm moving the screen around and it doesn't really alter the look of the color or anything with the display.
Spectacular gadget.
Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.